Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. This dog named Quasimodo is one of the few dogs in the world to have short spine syndrome. Carrot contains 0% fat. A powerful orgasm can cause a temporary blindness. Disney is the second largest buyer of explosives in the world. Buzz Aldrin was the first man to pee on the moon.
Can you hear the sound?
The world's most expensive wedding cake was made in Dubai. This is Vacuta, the rarest animal on earth. There are only 10-15 left in the world. The main voice actors in The Simpsons are paid about $3 lakh per episode. McDonald's is not the world's largest restaurant chain. Subway is. In 1962, an Italian magazine carried a story on how the world will look in 2022. The Queen is woken up every morning at 9 a.m. by a bagpiper who plays outside her window for 15 minutes. French was the official language of England for over 300 years. Virat Kohli is the only Indian athlete to own a private jet. In Italy, women celebrate New Year's Eve by wearing red underwear because it is considered as lucky. Astronauts in International Space Station see 15 sunrises and 15 sunsets a day. Fatal familial insomnia is a disease in which you are unable to sleep and eventually die. There is no cure. The monk who prayed for 12 years on the same spot. Drinking much water helps in reducing weight by reducing the amount of food consumed. 550 crore awarded to two US men who spent 31 years in jail after being wrongfully convicted. Federal. Most Disney characters wear gloves to keep animation simple. The world record for the time without sleep is 264 hours 11 days by Randy Gardner in 1965. Blow on your thumb to calm your nerves. Sony patents technology that turn bananas into gaming controllers. Humans are the only animals that blush. The chance someone will die on their birthday is 6.7%, which is higher than on any other day. Iceland does not have a railway system. Your brain uses the energy 810 watt bulb to think. Tsunami wave can travel the speed of a jet.
Believe me, I
Instagram original accounts follows only two Indians, Virat and Anushka. There is only one letter that does not appear in any US state name. 2022 FIFA World Cup final will be played in Lusail, Qatar, a city that does not exist yet. The moon has moonquakes. A female can't be arrested in between 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. Indian skipper Virat Kohli earns approximate 69 crore 7 lakh 650.56 per day. Nowhere in the Bible does it say that Saturn rules hell. For the filming of the first part of a Thor, a real city was built only for the purpose of destroying it during the film. If the sun were to explode right now, we would not know for another 8 minutes and 20 seconds. In Nepal, there are trained birds that will fly with you as you go parawaking. Chinese designer creates new way to apply lipstick using a flat card that can easily fit in your purse or wallet. There is a beach in Japan which has fully controlled indoor climate throughout the year. Sunsilk used this creative method to tell people how Sunsilk shampoo makes hair strong. Bosnian Muhibija Bulju Basic has such magnetic forces that metal object sticks to him. At the end of Titanic, the clock says 2:20. Titanic sank at 2:20 a.m. People studying to be mall Santas in Noor program Santa University. Once, WWE wrestler Triple H challenged Elon Musk to fight in ring not on Earth but on Mars. Pilot and co-pilot do not eat the same meal before a flight. Thanks for watching.